I have actually done a video on working in Winnipeg, Manitoba on this platform before. But because we have so many new members joining us, we are exploring all the opportunities in Canada in this month of April. So if you are a new member, please watch this video to the end and explore other videos on this channel. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. But imagine getting a job in Canada without an agent. Now, these opportunities are not open to only healthcare workers. If you find yourself in the beauty industry, the health industry, truck drivers, and so much more, we are coming to explore all of these. I know that there are slim chances of getting jobs in Canada these days, but when I posted the first video, I got a comment from one of our subscribers, Anik Trotman. She said, "Thankful I got my offer. God opened that door through a program." I'm not saying that you are going to be recruited immediately, but hey, if God opened that door for you, you might be the lucky one. Now, enough of the talking, let's dive into the video. The first thing we will do, as we did in the previous video, is to go on our search bar and type live in Winnipeg. So when it opens up like this, you see that Winnipeg website will be showing there. Now, Winnipeg is a city in Manitoba, and Manitoba is one of the 10 provinces in Canada. So on their website, they have work here, live here, play here, study here, and so much more. But we are interested in working here. So if you are a Canadian job seeker, just go to this section. International job seekers will go to this section. And when you scroll down, you see so much information about them. But let's stay on track and go to work here as international job seekers. Now, if you click on this one, it will take you to this session where they will give you the chance to register. Now, later on, I will show you my portal because I did this registration last year and they were sending me invite as well. So when it opens up like this, you are going to click on register. But before that, let's go into the current recruitment missions. Now, this means that they go to countries to do special recruitment, mostly in the European countries. I remember not long ago they came to Scotland to do some recruitment. So if you are a nurse, if you are a truck driver and you live in the UK, you could have gone to their site where they will be doing these recruitment, then you can apply directly with them. But on here, there are no current recruitment missions. All right, now before we hit on register, let's read something about them. It says that seeking a career abroad, Winnipeg, Canada is calling. Winnipeg, Manitoba is a cultural cradle of Canada and a hub of diversity, knowledge, and innovation. That's why every year, thousands of skilled workers choose to move to this exciting city in the center of the country. If you live outside of Canada and are interested in living and working here, set up a free account, register in our Work in Manitoba job portal, find your ideal job, and connect with top employers in Winnipeg and Manitoba. So we are going to do the same thing. Now, if you are a first-time registrant, you are going to click on register. So when you click on register, it will take you to this section. But before you become successful, let's look on the right hand side. It says live in Winnipeg. It says, are you looking to pursue a career in Canada? Consider one of Manitoba's vibrant communities. Connect with employers from various industries through Work in Manitoba. Now, the registration process involves 3 main steps. The first step is register and create a free profile. Users without a postal code can enter 60. So if you don't have a postal code, just put 6 zeros there. And the second step is search for jobs through Work in Manitoba. You will also get notification once your profile matches with a job opportunity. So we are going to create a profile. If you are a nurse, you put that you are a nurse, and when any employer goes onto the site, they can send you an invite. And I did the registration last year and I just logged into my portal and I realized that I have been getting some invites, but I did that for educational purpose, so I didn't come back to check. Now, the third point is apply to the jobs that interest you most. So if you want to create a new account, just click on create an account and it will take you to this section where you're going to put your name, your email address, then you confirm, then you create an account. Then that's it, then you log in. But I already have an account, so let's quickly log in and see what this site has for us. Now, on here, you get the chance to go to your profile, then put in your details. So you're going to update your profile. You're going to put in your work experience and your job title, the duration that you've worked, the previous places that you've worked as well, and the current position that you held. You're going to put all of these here on this side, and your educational qualifications as well. You will put them here as well. Now, when it comes to the certifications, you're going to add any certification that you have earned, then you're going to put all of them here. And on the additional information section, they will ask you some few questions about yourself. They want to know you better, your date of birth, whether you have Canadian citizenship, whether you have any English exam. So if you have any IELTS or PTE score, you can add them here. And this is so simple to do. I don't want to go through that much because I've done this video before. And yes, so on the left hand side here too, we have skills. So you click on the skills, and if you have any skills, you can put them here. So if you're a driver and you have your HGV license or any type of car that you drive, you can put them here. If you are a nail technician, if you're a beautician, just list everything here. So when it comes to the self-declaration here, you just look at the one that applies to you, then you click on them. So if you are looking for LGBT people, you click on it. Yeah, so just be playing around with these ones, but note that you will click the right one. Now let's go home and see what it has for us. So here you can click on the job search. So if you are let's say I'm a nurse, or let's just say I'm a nurse, and you click on here, you see the positions that are available, but at the moment there are no nursing jobs here at the moment. The only available jobs that relates to the medical professional, primary care paramedic and casual security officer, and they have 3 positions for the security officers. So if you click on it, you can apply. But let's delete the nurse here. Let's click on their job search. So if you click on the job search, it has given me 28 results. Now this means that they have 28 openings here, and they have respiratory therapist, they have primary care paramedic, nail house. A company called Nail House is looking for someone to work in a salon with them, and this is located in Winnipeg. So when you go to the second job here, it says that they are looking for a facilities trades person, and this is located at Manitoba, and they are looking for someone to work in their liquor and lotteries department. And it's the same thing, FT integrated system technician, course instructor for UC Mass, industrial plant cleaner. You can just apply to be a cleaner in this industry. Industrial butcher, those who work in the abattoir, you'll be cutting meat. If you want to do this, you can apply. So there are a whole lot of jobs here. It's not only academic jobs, it can be any skilled jobs that you already have. Assistant manager. Now if you remember in the intro, I said that someone said she applied and she got a job. So I don't know where she's from. She might probably be outside of Canada or wherever she finds herself. She stated that she got an offer from there. And after you have filled your profile so well and you have left this place, you will get job invite. So initially I said that I made some job invite, and this means that from June 24th last year to February 11th this year, these are the job invites. So they come, they look at my profile and they realize that I was in the medical field, and they sent me all of these invites. Now the one that relates to my profession is a registered nurse, and this one, let's look at it. This one, the employer was Prairie Mountain Health. So you remember that at our profile session we indicated that we live outside of Canada, we are looking for jobs in Canada, and we filled all our details there. So you get invites that pertains to what you do, and if you are lucky, if you apply, if you are shortlisted, who knows, you can get the offer and you can get sponsorship to relocate to Canada. Now I also got invites from dental hygienist Canada, occupational therapist, and respiratory therapist as well. These jobs are jobs that I won't normally do, but if you are someone, I'm just doing this video for people who want to showcase their skills in Canada and work in Canada without using any high skilled profession like the nurses and doctors and the midwives. So if you have also done any applications, you click on applications here, it will be listed here. I haven't done any applications, so that is why you do not see any applications in there. You know, as YouTubers, as content creators, we make these videos to make it look like it's so easy to get a job, but know that these things are not easy. Don't think that you are the first person to see this. This has been there ever since Manitoba was in existence. People know about it already. Probably you are seeing it for the first time, and this is the time to shoot your shot. Don't think that it's easy. Keep coming to this platform, subscribe to the channel, follow us on TikTok and Facebook as well, and let me know in the comment section if you probably get a job later and you want us to know about it, we are going to congratulate you. All right, so there you have it. Winnipeg is not just a city in Manitoba. Winnipeg is one of those cities that is constantly looking for international job seekers to fill these roles, and I know that is going to be difficult. It doesn't come easy, but know that Jesus is king. Now go to the KLB store on Selar, and I will leave the link in the description. Download the CV template, edit it to suit you, use it to apply for jobs in Canada. You can get sample letters on how to invite your parents over to your graduation, sample cover letters to apply for your visas, IELTS practice book, NCLEX practice book. We have so many things at the KLB shop on Selar. So make good use of the KLB store. Use it to build a strong profile for yourself, and having a good CV is going to make you stand out from the crowd, and it's going to put you in a good position to get all the jobs that you are looking for. If you really enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.